I'm Savannah, and today we're going to be doing Jamaican proverbs.
Sorry for Maga Dog. A Maga Dog turn around and bite you.
Someone's gonna get mad at you?
Puss and dog, now have the same look.
Oh, puss and dog. Okay. It means somebody else might not have the same look, and somebody might have the same look.
Ooh,
Rats. That would seem like a...
Dumping over for frightened.
A ghost knows how to frighten you. A ghost knows how to frighten people. Oh.
Yes.
Because ghosts aren't real, and that would make sense.
You've never heard me say that?
No.
One cocoa, full basket.
This one's kind of hard. Imagine this.
You have a coconut and a basket. And you have a bunch of little coconuts. And then you put one in the basket, another one in the basket, another one in the basket, until it's filled to the...
Or learn to creep before you walk.
Well, first you need to learn how to do things, then you can get better at it.
Time longer than rope.
I think it's basically saying that time is longer than a rope.
Trouble in the set like rain.
What is it again? Like, give me a hint, because then I can build on.
Do you understand what that?
Nope.
In life, sometimes you don't always get a warning.
Say that again.
Want to can't get it, but get it no want it.
So you're basically saying somebody that wants it can't get it, and somebody that doesn't want it can get it.
People say this, me old but me not cool.
So you're basically, you're saying you're old, but you're not cold?
Yeah.
You're older, but you're not going to, but you're still kind of flexible.
The meaning is to say like older people can still do things. Don't count them out.
Yeah, like you.
You said like me?
No.
The shades! See, I'm blind, here I'm deaf.
Okay, now I get it.
Okay.
Okay, so, some people can, I think it's basically saying that some people can see, but some can't. And then some people are, they can hear, and some people can't.
Every mickle make a muckle.
What? I have no idea what that means. What is that?
See me and come live with me are two different things.
Okay, so it's basically saying if you see somebody and if you come live with them, it's two different things, basically.
Right. Can you think of some things that I say?
Thank you, Jesus.